Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. Today, guys, I am headed to Costco gas station. It's about 7:19. Trying to get there so that I could avoid all the lines. The last time I filled up, I was at half a tank, and I think I spent about 50 bucks. And gas was, I want to say, $4.89 or something like that. So today I'm trying to see how much the gas is going to be, and how much it's going to cost me. I'm just tiny little bit under half a tank right now, so I'm not trying to go under half a tank. I do have a gas guzzler, which is a Jeep Wrangler. Jeep wave to all my Jeepers out there. If you know, you know. So this bad boy does drink gas like crazy. But after all the recent services, brand new tires, and everything that I've done, it's been a little bit better on gas. So I'm grateful for that. But yeah, this gas is ridiculous. And California pays the highest gas, I believe, in the country. So this is, you know, we might get the beautiful weather, but we also get the high tax prices. So it's the pros and cons of living in Cali, I guess. But anyway, let's get to this Costco and let's see how much this gas is going to be today. This is the price of war. This is the price of war. We're living with the decisions of who we voted for. So, you know, I guess we all play a part in this situation. You know, for those who didn't come out to vote, me, guilty. I'm guilty. I didn't come out to vote. I mean, people always talk about the lesser of two evils. So let me not be a hypocrite and just say I didn't vote left or right. This could be on me too. This could have been me. So I mean, what can we do in a situation like this? It's just all we got to do is suck it up. But the great part about this is that, you know, in this community, we prepare, not only financially, not only on the farms, not only we prep for all kinds of times, good times, bad times, you know, okay times, decent times. This is a part of the preparation. So a part of the preparation is, you know, not only on the homestead, but financial preparation. And as you guys know, or as you guys have seen on my channel, we touch a little bit on everything. So we touch on financial preparation. If you catch those gems, you catch them. Of course, we're in the garden. Of course, we prep on our health. We try to be a little bit healthy. So these are all things to think about. If you're not trying to prep financially, this is one of those wake-up calls. This is a financial wake-up call, so that you don't have to struggle through situations like these. You know, you can, unless if you are born with a silver spoon in your mouth, I don't think that we can all the way prep financially. We'll always have our ups and downs. Finances will always go up and down. I'm gonna tell you this, like my mom used to tell me, you know, a little bit to the side is still a little bit to the side for a rainy day. And today it's raining. I'm about to cry at this gas pump, but I'm blessed to have it. So we're gonna just go from there, right? It's not even, you know, it's blessed to have it because I was instilled to save at an early age. So if we're not instilling that in our children, and if we're not passing this type of information down to the next generation, as the young people would say today, we're kind of cooked. Because this is not going to be the first, and this is definitely not going to be the last time that we see times like these. All right, let me pull up to this gas station. I think I've been neglecting my Jeep, so I'm gonna wash it. That's an extra $7.99 that I'm gonna have to spend. A Jeep can go clean or dirty and still look pretty good, you know. So it's just, it is what it is. So I'll probably get her washed up, fill her up, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, you know the motto on the page, but if you don't, each one teach one. It's your Cali bro Jay, and I'm just, you know, broadcasting live from Cali, letting you guys know what's really going on out here. But it is what it is. I will catch you on the next video. Peace. As you can see, it's already a line at Costco. 726. Morning.
Got a neutral,
Thank you.